but looking at a different area, and it's Peter Rushforth. You make your way up there. Now Peter's a butcher from Swans in Mold, and he's going to America as well, to California, to study how Americans add value to the carcass, and also to understand how they eat so much meat, really, isn't it? Because they do eat a lot of meat there. So also going to look at charcuterie, and in fact Peter has also been successful in the World Skills competition and other competitions, and numerous other competitions. So congratulations.
We find out that we'll leave with the prestigious title of Young Butcher of the Year 2016.
On behalf of Lucas Ingredients, I'm very pleased to announce that the Young Butcher for 2016 for the whole supply chain knowledge and creative product development is Peter Rushforth from Swans Farm Shop.
Peter Rushforth, I'm 21 from Swans Farm Shop in Trident near Mold. I'm very fortunate to have won the Young Butcher of the Year competition for the Meat Trades Journal today. I think what gave me the edge over everyone else was the innovation in the shop that we've recently produced, and the fact that I've been very fortunate to win the HCC Agricultural Scholarship, which I'm going to America. So again, I'm very chuffed, and thanks very much.